Go in, you want to get a professional level cert. Now see this chart that we're looking at here? This chart shows you professional level certs. There's so much going on with this chart. But what it is as you go up, it goes from apprentice, beginner certifications, all the way up to expert level. You want the ones that are in this vicinity here, like in this area, these are professional level certs. From about here to about here, all professional level certifications. And these are within reach. These ones up here, these expert level, these require either $1 billion trillion or 1 billion years. Like, they're hard. They're very, very difficult certifications. My roommate was a CCIE. So a CCIE is here. This is a CCIE up here. That's an expert level certification. It's an impossible certification. It's $2,000 just to take the hands-on. $12,000 estimated cost. Probably not 12,000. Probably like 8, 9. You got to fly to the Cisco in Palo Alto to actually take it. So wherever you are on planet Earth, you got to fly there to go take their certification. You got to give them $2,000 and fail it. And if you fail it, guess what? You got to fly back there and retake it. And by the way, it's got a practical hands-on. It's got a test. It's super duper 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 hard. My roommate was a CCIE, and I was asking another CCNP. CCNP is like, it's somewhere over here. It's a professional level networking cert. And I said, hey man, are you going to take the CCIE? Are you going to do it? He says, man, you don't just wake up in the morning and say, I'm going to wake up, I'm going to take the CIE today, CCIE. So these expert level certs, man, these are insane. You have to make a life commitment to take these certifications, all right? Unless you're a special person who can just wake up in the morning and take the test and pass it, spend $3,000, fly into their lab and take it and pass it, and then you're good. There's people like that. If you happen to be one of those people, then go for it. But yes, these professional level certs is what you want to get as they're paying for your degree. That way, when you get out of there, they'll probably pay you to stay after that because you'll be worth a lot more. So yeah, go for that, man. That's awesome.